I'll just show you how to use the Apple AirPlay. First of all, I suppose if you go into, just go in here, and then we go into General, AirDrop, CarPlay, and you see there My Car Skoda. That's already in there. That's the screen you're going to get. Allow CarPlay while locked, which is the best way, otherwise you're forever looking at the things that recognise your face or putting your thumbprint on it. So plug the USB in there and this into your phone. You see there, connection will be established via Apple CarPlay, and that's it. So that's showing you the screen that you had before, and you can then use this for your music. Back, go through all your stuff there, or nav,